नमस्कार मित्रों, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Parth Shah. Today we will discuss about operation research. In that we will solve about the transportation problem. In last lecture we have discussed about how to solve and how to find feasible solution of given cost matrix using northwest corner cell method. In today's video we will discuss about least cost method. So, as you know, guys, this D1, D2, D3, D4, we'll take that question only in that we have taken in previous one, that is in northwest corner cell method. The question is similar. D1, D2, D3, D4 is destination 1, 2, 3, 4. C1, C2, C3 is company 1, 2, 3. Supplies, company 1 is having supply of 300, company 2 are having supply of 400, C3 of 500, and in similar way, destination 1 is having demand of 250, D2 having demand of 350, D3 is having demand of 400, and similar way D4 is having demand of 200. So, uh, in previous case for northwest corner cell method, we were finding northwest corner. Here, as the name suggests, least cost method. So least cost means we have to find least cost in the whole matrix. So the least cost is this one. So we'll take this one into consideration. So the demand is 350 and the supply is 300. So the supply will completely exhausted and demand of 50 will be remaining in destination 2, and here the allocation is made 300. So now we have to cancel the company 1 as the supply of company 1 is completely exhausted. Now second step, we have to choose for next number, that is minimum cost cell. Minimum cost cell is 2659, this 2 and this 2. So two, there are two 2's, so we can take either or. I am taking this one. If you will take these two, then there may be a variation of answer, but not a major. It might be a small change, not a big change. So I am taking these two, that is C2 and D1. So it is having demand of 250 and supply of 400. So demand is completely exhausted. Here the allocation is 250. And the company 2 is having now supply of 150, 150 to 150. Okay, 50, 150, 100, 300, 400. Okay. Now this demand destination 1 is exhausted, so we'll cancel the whole column. Now again, now see, I would previously have taken these two. Now this is the cost matrix. I have to take now these two. In these two, I am having demand of 200 and supply of 500. So we'll exhaust this 500. Now the supply is 300 and my demand is exhausted. So here allocation is nothing but 200. As the demand is exhausted of D4, we'll cancel the whole column. Now this four cells, that is this cost matrix, the list is these three or these three. Either or we can take. I am taking these three. So the demand is 400 and supply is 300. So exhausting this supply, here 100 is remaining as the demand of D3 and our allocation of 300 is done in C3D3. As company 3 is exhausted, that is supply is exhausted, we'll cancel out this row. Now these two, 6 and 5. So 5 is lower number. 100, 150. We'll cancel this 100, allocating 100 here. This 50 is now here, 50 is remaining. And again you can see that this cell is remaining and it is having demand of 50 and supply of 50. So we'll allocate 50 here. Now allocation is done. Calculating total cost. Total cost is equals to 1 into 300, 1 into 300 plus 2 into 250, 2 into 250 plus 6 into 50 plus 5 into 100 plus 3 into 300 plus 2 into 200. So 300, 750, 1050, 300, 1350, 500, 1850, 900, 1850, 2750, and 400, 3150. So, okay, plus 900 plus 500 plus 300 plus 500 plus 300. 2900, 300 plus 500 plus 300 plus 500 plus 900 plus 400. 2900 is the answer. 2900 total cost. So you can see that in the previous case we were getting 4400 rupees and in this case we are getting 2900 rupees. So we can say that least cost method is more optical or more reliable than previous case, that is northwest corner cell method. So this was all about least cost method, and thank you.